before emails, news, and noise. Let your first words be for God. Each new day is a blank page. What you do with it begins in prayer. This prayer offers your thoughts, your actions, even your struggles, straight to the heart of Christ. Morning Offering Prayer. O Jesus, through the Immaculate Heart of Mary, I offer you my prayers, works, joys, and sufferings of this day, for all the intentions of your Sacred Heart, in union with the holy sacrifice of the Mass throughout the world, for the salvation of souls, the reparation of sins, the reunion of all Christians, and in particular, for the intentions of the Holy Father this month. Amen. Start every day with this offering. Let God shape your day before the world does. Subscribe now to Cornerstone Scriptures and join our daily prayers.